All right, hello everyone. We are Team Luja, which is Finnish for strength, and my name is Dylan Weeks, and I'm a computer science senior here at SMU.
I'm Jamie Reddick, and I'm a computer science and mathematics senior.
I'm Shelby Rhodes, and I'm a computer science senior.
And I'm Sarah Kaiser, and I am also a computer science senior.
All right. So for the company that we partnered with Nokia, which is a telecommunications company that is often known in their 5G technologies, but they also provide metrics for tracking connectivity and internal satisfaction with technology. And their goal so far when they wanted to partner with us is to intersect both design thinking and service design with behavioral, social, and computer sciences.
So our project is centered around the user's journey. So we created this AI recommendation system that makes suggestions from products to events based on various user and environmental factors. This application starts its recommendation process once a user registers their account. From there, they're prompted with categorical preferences. Based on these preferences, as well as several environmental factors such as time, location, and the weather, the system will continuously generate recommendations to the user to add to their journey. They are recommended products, stores, restaurants, travel, and other events. And on the right is some screenshots from the application itself. The landing page is the one with the Nokia-Luja journey, and it displays how the mapping API is used to find events and products near the user's location, as well as right of that picture is the personalization aspect of the application.
So some of the technologies that we used in this application, on the front end, we used React Native and Axios. And as Shelby mentioned earlier, we do have a map that is from MapQuest as well as Yelp. On the back end, we use MongoDB, Node.js, and Express. And in the recommendation layer, which is what generates recommendations for the user based on their preferences, we use Pandas, NumPy, Python, and a data set from Stanford University. So as you can see here on the right, this is just a sample of data that was generated for a user with preferences of books and movies and TV. So we have 5 products recommended here, just randomly pulled from Amazon that we think the user would enjoy.
Okay, and last but not least, we are going to move on into doing a demo. You've seen some of the screenshots we've had for our program. However, now we're going to move to this. All right, fantastic. So I'm just going to be breaking this down. It starts on the login page, but we're going to register a new user for this demonstration. I'm just going to use my own information just because I'll be able to remember it the best. So first name, last name, email, and phone number. We have the phone number there included because this is supposed to be a mobile adaptive application that can help incorporate the applications on your phone. So adding in a number, and then we have the username. And for the confirmation of the password, we do try to keep our security strong. So we do also use the safe dots. So we're going to register. And as we saw on our second screenshot, we have different options to select. As you can see up at the top, it has my name up there, so it is registering me as a user. These are things in the area near me surrounding SMU.
Notice that on the map, it pinpoints the locations of these businesses, displays their names. Notice that it also shows Yelp events. You can click and see more details about that event.
And then we have recommended products that are still in the process of loading, but this is just giving you a good idea.
We also have our own Wizard of Oz version of ordering an Uber. We called it Toto's Ride Service. And to calculate the price, it uses time, distance, the state tax, and a standard rate as the factors. We'll order one real quick and head back to the main screen. Now we'll move on to the product search section, which searches the database by the category so that we're able to see recommendations and still be able to express interest into other categories. We've optimized navigation within this component so that you're able to see other types of categories. So here are the recommended books that the application thinks that we will enjoy. We'll head back to the search bar.
Now I'm just going to show you some of our settings. I decide I'm going to change my name to Jamie for this demonstration. So I'm just going to put in the last name. As you can see, those are updating up above. And then in order to show it, I'm going to have to log out. I also just want to point out we do have our forgot password button there, which will send a real email to whatever email you have associated with your account to get you a new password. And that'll be fully functional as well.
And that concludes our presentation. Thank you all so much for being here.